Back to school ready. I got my girl all set with these gorgeous boho braids from ygwigs. This is the pre-loop deep wave boho crochet box braids with 100% human hair. Look at her. She is looking absolutely adorable and we love it. Let me show you how I did it. Thank you ygwigs for sponsoring today's video, and thank you for helping me get my girl ready for back to school. Yes, they sent me all the goods, okay? So this is the hair, and it is 100% human hair with these lovely deep wave curls. And as you can see right here, you have these loops that makes a seamless effect. Okay, you cannot see where the loops are, and there's 2 pieces of human hair per braid to give it a nice full look. And here's a closer look at that seamless loop. They also sent me a crochet hook so I can complete this style. So here is my daughter's braiding pattern. She wanted some cornrows in the front and pretty much the hair in the back because she wanted to just wear headbands and things of that nature. But this is the braid pattern. I already have her ready with her baby hair slicked, and she is ready, okay? As you can see here, I've already got started, but don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. I'm going to be starting right here where the part is, all right? And as you can see, that loop a little bit more clear. And yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and close in this gap right here where the cornrow meets the bigger braids. And I'm going to just bring that together with 1 crochet just to make sure everything is nice and together with no gaps. And as you can see how I close that off, so I'm going to be doing that you know, across along this line right here, and then I'm going to just fill in the back. It's that simple, you guys, so watch me work, okay? As you can see right here, I closed those gaps and I'm ready to fill everything in, okay? I've been working, so what I'm going to show you guys now, how seamless it looks, all right? And it's really full. That's what I like about this hair, but you would never know that I had this big gap right here. So trust me when I tell you, this hair is sufficient, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and fill this in, and yeah, we're going to get it done. I don't know if you can tell, but this install is very simple, okay? Especially with the small hoops or the loops. I thought it was going to be a little bit difficult, but it actually isn't. And I like this upgrade because it looks like the braid is coming right out of the head, okay? And imagine if you did these with some mini braids. They would be so cute, but my daughter wanted this half up, half down style, so I said, okay, next time. But anyway, I'm just finishing up. As you can see, I just have a couple of more rows to fill in, and she is going to be ready. Notice how those braids cover her cornrows very seamlessly. Okay, look at that. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish this last row, and whatever gaps I see when I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and fill those in. Okay, I don't see any gaps. All right, I see a nice full look. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful, you guys. This is the perfect style for back to school for your daughter or your niece or your friend or what have you, and even for yourself, okay? But look at her. She is absolutely gorgeous and she is loving it. It is so adorable. I want to thank ygwigs for sponsoring this video. I will give all the details on this hair in the description, so make sure you check that out and pick this hair up for yourself or for your daughter. But yeah, either or, you guys will absolutely love it. And look at those curls. I didn't do anything to them. I didn't put any water or any gel. It is just a gorgeous curl by itself. So yeah, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.